Dyma faint mor bell ni wedi dod fel tîm bod ni siomedig gyda colliad 1-0 yn erbyn tîm gryf iawn. Nath ni roi gêm dda iddyn nhw, nath ni creu siawns yn yr hanner cyntaf a'r ail hanner a margins bach yw hi. A dyna beth yw pêl-drod ar noson fel hyn pan mae'r pressure a pwysau i gyd arno. Ond ni'n siomedig iawn, mae grŵp A wedi bod yn challenge gwahanol i ni. A challenge ni moyn chwarae yn y gym yma. Ni'n siomedig iawn.
You know, what this team is doing within a year, the steps that they've taken forward, the fact that teams like Denmarc are on their back foot, living in their half, and we're absolutely going for them is a testament to this team. And I'm frustrated. I didn't think we had our best game, but equally, even on our bad nights now, we're living with some top nations. And yes, it could have been a goal. Equally, they had some good chances on net. But League A is not finished for us. We've got one more game, and if I know anything about my team, they just show up and we'll play our best every single time we have an opportunity to deliver our top Wales performance.
Ni'n siomedig gyda ddim cael gol Jess, a ni'n siomedig hefyd gyda penderfyniad yr throw i gol nhw, ond dwi ddim wedi gweld hwnna nôl, felly just yn siomedig ond mor balch o'r grŵp, achos ni wedi ddod yma i Denmarc a nath ni roi'r game plan, nath ni creu siawnsys, nath ni chwarae sut gymaint yn well na'r tro cyntaf yn erbyn nhw yn Caerdydd. Felly dwi'n balch o'r grŵp ond siomedig gyda'r margins bach.